Welcome to Opening Young Minds. Today we're going on a comic book adventure to discover the magic of figurative language. I'm Carlos Menendez. In our overture today, we'll see how stories use special words to sync action with emotion, just like music in a cartoon. Remember our framework: look, listen, and learn. When we read comics, we don't just see pictures, we hear the language with our minds. Figurative language is when we use words in a way that's different from their literal meaning to create a vivid picture. Comic books are the perfect place to find this. They are new sources of education that teach us better than any textbook. Let's start with similes. A simile compares two things using the words like or as. It's a superpower for writers. Think of Superman. We say he is as fast as a speeding bullet. We aren't saying he is a bullet, but he's just as fast. Next are metaphors. These compare things directly without using like or as. They tell us that one thing is another. In Batman, we might hear Gotham is a concrete jungle. It's not actually full of trees, but it feels wild and dangerous. Then there's onomatopoeia. These are words that sound like the action they describe. Comics wouldn't be the same without them. Bam, pow, whack. These words make the action jump off the page and right into your ears. That's the power of sound in text. Why is this important for your education? Because it helps you understand the shape and rhythm of a story. It helps us build a story map. We see how a character's journey moves from the beginning through obstacles to the end. For my friends learning English, let's look at two key words: plot and obstacle. Plot is the story and an obstacle is a problem. Can you think of these words in your home language? In Spanish, plot is trauma and obstacle is obstáculo. Look how similar they are. Here is the invitation. Parents and teachers, ask your children, what was the funniest sound word you saw in your comic today? Learning is like playing. Join me at the open page on Medium or Substack. I'm Carlos Menendez, and every child is a storyteller.